going to be a summer-like weekend here in 21 country. You're taking a live look of downtown Fort Wayne as we're seeing cloudy conditions, but temperatures are pretty comfortable. A warm start already, 63 degrees here in the Summit City, but looking at our STORMTRACK radar, we're seeing mostly cloudy skies all across the board. Some light rain towards our northwest parts of LaGrange. That's from a weak cold front that'll be passing through this morning. And here's a look at the future track. By 9 o'clock, you kind of see where that funnel boundary is. It's going to bring a few light sprinkles here and there, but overall, nothing too concerning there. As we get towards about 1 o'clock this afternoon, those clouds will start to clear on out, leaving us with some sunshine here in Auburn, Kendallville, and Angola. As we get towards about 6 o'clock, for folks that are going to head out to the Tin Caps game, we're going to be dry. Plenty of sunshine down towards our south for Decatur and Bluffton, and also even into Huntington. As we get towards tonight, we'll see mostly clear skies and still tracking sunshine for Sunday morning. And so let's look at those current temperatures. Again, if you are stepping out the door, it feels very nice out there in the low 60s all across the board. Along with that, it's really not that muggy. And, it's very dry air from our dew point temperatures into the mid 50s. So our muggy meter will be pleasant today, but as we get towards into tomorrow and Monday, we'll see the muggy meter becoming a little bit humid for the next few days and then drop back down for pleasant as we get towards into Tuesday. But looking at our surface weather map to see what's going on, here's that weak cold front that I mentioned. That's going to continue to push towards the east. But this high pressure system will keep us mainly on the dry side for quite some time. Not only that, that's the main reason why we're going to be warm for quite some time, as we're getting those winds coming out from the southwest, plenty of moisture from the Atlantic. So we will see a chance to see a few stray thunderstorms popping out in the afternoon, which is very typical during the summertime, as that high remains anchored down towards our southeast over the Carolinas. So it will be a little bit more humid as we get towards tomorrow and Monday. But overall, rain chances look to stay pretty slim, especially for the weekend. But as we get towards the work week, Monday and Tuesday, a slight chance for an isolated shower or storm. As we get towards into Wednesday, it becomes more scattered, about 40%. That could increase as we get towards into tomorrow. But overall, what to expect? We'll see partly cloudy skies, warm conditions, highs reaching into the mid 80s. And as we get towards tonight, for folks that are heading to the Tin Caps game against Lansing, very nice conditions for the ball game. First pitch will be in the 80s, partly cloudy skies. As the game begins to wrap up, clouds will be decreasing and temperatures will be into the 70s. As we get towards into tomorrow, it's going to be kind of very similar as today. Partly cloudy skies, a little bit warmer, reaching into the upper 80s. A stray thunderstorm may be possible in the afternoon, but overall, I'm expecting more things onto the dry side of things. And for folks that want to take their pups on a walk, since the weather's going to be quite nice, I will say this: when the air temperature is at 85 degrees, surfaces are a little bit warmer because they absorb the heat from the sun. So concrete temperatures will be 105, where asphalt will be 130, and at 125 degrees on the surface, it can cause skin destruction, which can occur within 60 seconds. So something to keep in mind if you do want to take your pups on a walk. You probably want to do it in the morning or wait till the sun starts to go down. But as we get towards your extended forecast to see what it looks like, again, this warm weather is going to be here to stay. We'll see a dry weekend, a better chance for isolated storms Monday and Tuesday, becoming more scattered as we get into Wednesday.
Matthew, I know that when you're walking your pets, to be mindful of how hot it is outside because of their paws, but I never knew about that specific temperature.
There's one little trick you could do. It's like you put the back of your hand on to the surface. If you do it for about 10 seconds, if it's too hot for your hand, it's too hot for your pup.
Thank you so much for that information right there, Matthew. All right, we'll be right back. But first, before that, we'll tell you a little bit about what's coming up on this Saturday. Matthew already mentioned there's a Tin Caps game, but if you're still looking for some other things to do, we'll break it down for you.